Hello students, welcome to Quest for Learning. Today I am here with the poem The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman from class 11th English, Hornbill. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist and journalist. He is among the most influential poets in the American canon, often called the father of free verse. Gist of the poem. The poem Voice of the Rain is a short free verse poem which has no rhyme scheme. It is an imaginary conversation between the poet and the rain. Rain has been personified here as it has been given a human quality in the poem. Rain को एक human being माना गया है. Rain is non-living object, but the poet treats it as living person. The whole story of the rain is about how it leaves the ground, fulfills its duty in the atmosphere, and comes back to the ground out of love in order to beautify and purify the world and spread life. बारिश अपनी इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में बताती है कि उसके बिना जीवन संभव नहीं है. वह धरती को सींचती है, धरती की हर चीज को सुंदर और शुद्ध बनाती है. Let us read the poem. And who are those, said I to the soft falling shower, which strange to tell gave me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. The poet asks the soft falling rain who she is, to which she answers him in her voice. The poet is astounded to hear the voice of the rain. He translates it for the readers. The rain tells the poet that she is the poem of the earth, which is its birthplace. धरती की कविता रेन अपने आप को बताती है. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. Rain says that she rises continuously out of the land and the bottomless sea. She cannot be touched or felt. She rises up to the sky, where she changes her form into a cloud, but the core existence remains the same. बारिश बताती है कि धरती और अथाह समुद्र से उठती है, आकाश की ओर ऊपर जाती है, क्लाउड का रूप धारण कर वापस वर्षा के रूप में धरती पे आती है. कोई भी इसे महसूस नहीं कर सकता है, परंतु इसका बुनियादी ढांचा वैसा ही रहता है, उसमें कोई परिवर्तन नहीं होता. यह रेन है, रेन ही रहेगी. I descend to leave the draughts at me's dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unworn. The rain says that she comes down on earth to wash the drought and provide water. She also washes away the dust and small particles from the earth's surface. She gives life to the seeds, and the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water provided by the rain. रेन बताती है कि वह पृथ्वी पर धूल के छोटे कण को धोने के लिए और सूखा मिटाने के लिए आकाश से नीचे आती है. वह उन बीजों को जो धरती के अंदर छुपे हुए हैं जीवन प्रदान करती है, और वह बीज जो जर्मिनेट हो जाते, अंकुरित हो जाते हैं. बारिश के बिना यह संभव नहीं है. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. The rain says that she provides life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where she originates by day and night. The rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for herself again. बारिश बताती है कि वह अपने उद्गम स्थान को जीवन प्रदान करती है. बारिश से सींचती है, धरती को सुंदर और शुद्ध बनाती है, हर चीज हरी भरी और साफ हो जाती है. First song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering, reck'd or unreck'd, duly with love returns. These lines within the bracket are not the part of conversation between the poet and the rain, but it's a thought that is a creation of poet's mind. Here the poet compares the rain with the song. As the song originates from the heart of the singer, wanders in the world, whether cared for or not, eventually returns to its creator with all due love. Similarly, rain originates from its birthplace, that is earth. After fulfilling its role of spreading beauty and purity, returns to its origin. यहाँ पे दोनों का कंपैरिजन है, दोनों का एक जैसा रोल है। गीत जो है कवि के हार्ट से जन्म लेता है और बारिश धरती से जन्म लेती है। संसार में दोनों भ्रमण करते हैं और वापस अपने ओरिजिन जो सोर्स है धरती वहीं पे आ जाते हैं और हर चीज को सुंदर शुद्ध बना देते हैं, हरा भरा। डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ द पोएम: इटर्नल, एवरलास्टिंग, नेवर एंडिंग, शाश्वत, impalpable, which cannot be touched or felt, स्पर्शनीय, bottomless, very deep, fathomless, अथाह, heaven, sky, आकाश, vaguely, dimly, not definite, धुंधला, descend, come down, नीचे आना, to live, to wash, धोना, droughts, dryness, सूखा, atoms, tiny particles, धूल के कण, globe, earth, धरती, latent, hidden, छिपा हुआ, origin, source, स्रोत, beautify, to lend beauty, सुंदर बनाना, issuing, coming out, निकलना, fulfillment, completion, पूर्णता प्राप्त करना, reck'd, cared for, ध्यान देना, unreck'd, not cared for, ध्यान ना देना, wandering, moving about, घूमना। Textual questions. First question: there are two voices in the poem. Who do they belong to? Which lines indicate this? Answer: one voice is of the poet and the other belongs to the rain. The lines which indicate this are: and who art thou? Asks the poet. I am the poem of earth, answers the rain. Second question: what does the phrase strange to tell mean? Answer: the phrase means that it was quite strange and surprising when the poet heard the voice of the rain answering his question. Third question: there is a parallel drawn between rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. The lines for the song: issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, reck'd or unreck'd, duly with love returns, draws a parallel between music and rain. Both originate from its birthplace, wander about in the sky to fulfill their mission, and finally return to its origin with love. Fourth question: how is the cyclic movement of rain brought out in the poem? Compare it with what you have learnt in science. Answer: in the poem, the rain tells that she rises upward out of the land and the bottomless sea in the form of vapor. It then changes its form, transforms itself into clouds. It comes down to the earth in the form of rain to wash drought, provide water, give life to unborn and latent seeds inside the earth. It purifies and beautifies the earth. The cycle goes continuously. The water cycle in science also gives us the same definition. Water evaporates, forms clouds, then it condenses and comes down. It makes earth clean and green. The two processes are the same. Here I end the poem Voice of the Rain with short answer questions. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.